Howdy, Travis from KnowHow here. You probably already know that Magic Search, our AI-powered search tool, has helped the restoration industry save thousands and thousands of hours by eliminating repetitive, unnecessary phone calls back to head office, people not sure what to do, employees just guessing out on the job site, by giving them the information they need to work confidently and competently. But you probably did not know that it goes far beyond just answering simple questions. Today, I'm going to show you 3 advanced techniques that our Magic Search tool can do to help you make the most of KnowHow. Let's get started. All right, I'm here in this KnowHow hub, and we're just going to start talking to Howie. Again, Howie already knows the hundreds and hundreds of SOPs that I've given him to be trained up on, but did you know that Howie also is pretty smart when it comes to math? You can ask Howie any question that involves math and an answer in your SOPs, and he's going to take those 2 answers and combine them into one. Say, for example, I forget that I need 1 air mover for every 50 to 70 square feet out on a job site when there is a flood. So all I would need to do is tell Howie the size of the room that I'm trying to dry, and then just ask how many air movers, and he is going to find the information that tells him that ratio, 1 to 50, 70 to square feet, and do the math out on the spot, all in one. How many air movers for a basement that's, let's pick a number, 900 square feet. It's a nice sized basement right there. Howie's going to find the information, 900 square feet for every 50 to 70 square foot of affected floor area. That's 13 to 18 air movers. Not only did he find that information that you were looking for, he also did the math right on the spot, saving you time so you can be out on the job site drying up that basement. All right, tip number 2, if Howie knows what you've done because he has access to the step-by-step guide on what you're working on, he also knows what you should do next. Let's say you've just completed a task and you're not sure what you should be doing next. All you gotta do, tell old Howard what you've done and he will instruct you on where to go next. So let's say, for example, I just filled out a water mitigation scope sheet. Not sure what I should do after that. I've just filled out a water mitigation scope sheet. What should I do next? Of course, desktop, mobile, it's all the same. Howie's got all the answers right here. After filling out the water mitigation scope sheet, the next step is to upload or turn into the estimator. Of course, it links me to the process where I can see here exactly what I'm supposed to do. Upload or turn into the estimator. Bing, bang, boom, just like that. Howie helping me out, not only telling me what I should be doing, tell me what I should be doing next. All right, step 3, not only does Howie know all of your processes in English, Howie also speaks Spanish and French as well. So if you or a Spanish-speaking team member have a question, Howie's going to receive that question in Spanish, go translate it into English, find the English process, get the answer in the English process, and then translate that answer back into Spanish, all in the course of seconds. Let me show you exactly how it works. We'll just change our language to Spanish here. And then let's say I didn't know the tools that I needed to bring in order to remove baseboard. And I speak Spanish, so I can't just read all of KnowHow's processes in English. I can just ask Howie that question in Spanish, and Howie's going to give me the answer. So here's what I'm going to ask. ¿Qué herramientas necesito para quitar el rodapié? That's what Google Translate tells me. ¿Qué herramientas necesito para quitar el rodapié? How did we do? And just like that, it gives me all the tools that I need to remove baseboard in Espanol. You can see that not only has Magic Search transformed into a tool that saves the restoration industry thousands of hours by answering simple employee questions, because it's driven by artificial intelligence, it is getting smarter and smarter. It speaks French and Spanish. It can do math. It can tell you what to do next. All of that is just a sample of what Magic Search can do. So for more tips and tricks on how you can make the most of KnowHow, subscribe to this YouTube channel and head to TryKnowHow.com. Thanks.